Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So today's video is going to feature some long to bob and lob haircut transformations. First up, we see this beautiful lob haircut. Loving the wavy tousled texture that the stylist added with this one. Absolutely gorgeous. So for this next one, she decided to dye her hair black and go shorter with a traditional bob with bangs. Absolutely beautiful. I think that the bangs really just added a nice touch to the cut overall. Absolutely gorgeous. So if you guys do feel inspired by any of the hair ideas within today's video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, and of course hit that subscribe button to stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. So we have another bob with bangs haircut for this next makeover. So beautiful. Next up, we have another lob haircut transformation. So the stylist is going to be doing some beautiful side swept bangs with this one. And then we have another chic bob haircut complete with bangs. Gorgeous. Her hair looks so effortless and chic. Then we have another beautiful bob haircut. So if you guys want to see even more inspiring hair ideas, be sure to check out this video next.